Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. This video is really gonna be very nice and interesting because I'm gonna show you the demo of products which I got in Vanity Cask January 2018. I'm gonna share the proper skincare routine with the products that you got with this box. Also, if you buy 3 months Vanity Cask edition, then you get Thalgo Love Beauty Marine box for free, which is a very high-end luxury beauty brand. And Vanity Cask box looks something like this. This is that usual black magnetic box which is reusable as well. So in Vanity Cask I have got activated charcoal deep cleansing body wash. Okay, then we have one watery under eye cream. Then Blissant lip butter is there. After that I have this Fuller's Earth face pack from the Nature's Co. Then from Gulnair we have this very beautiful looking rosette clarifying toner. And in this Thalgo beauty box I have got 4 products. First one is this marine shower gel 30 ml. Then the next is serum which is 15 ml. And the next step is a body cream 30 ml. Then the next is this is Hydra cream 15 ml. So I'll just show you how to use these products and the first impressions and review kind of thing. Plus, if in case you're interested in buying the Vanity Cask, it is for rupees 999 if you buy for 1 month. And if you subscribe for more than 1 month, and you should subscribe for 3 months to get these Thalgo products. So do that, and there will be discount for sure. And also if you buy it for 6 months, then also you got the price is gonna get decreased, and enjoy the discounts. I'll leave the link of Vanity Cask down there in the description box, so make sure to check that out if in case you're interested to enjoy some luxury beauty products at a really affordable price. By the way, let me just start with the video now, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such videos in which you want to see skincare and demo. So first off, I have washed my face already. I have used a Nature's Co Fuller's Earth face pack on my face. I'll just insert the clip of that right here. And this product feels really amazing on skin. Like you can see, there is no foundation, no primer, no nothing on my face right now. It's all bare face. I just have a little eyebrow product and also a little bit of lipstick on my lips. Rest my face is all clean, and it's feeling so fresh and beautiful. It has lightened a bit after I used this product, so it just feels really fresh, nice and amazing. And Fuller's Earth is like the best thing which you can get for your oily skin or acne prone skin, and that's what I have. So I really liked this one. And by the way, this is how it looks like. It's really beautiful. It smells very mild and very nice. So here's that. So it is 35 ml of product, which is good enough to last you for a really long time. Then the next product which I am going to use is obviously a toner. CTM routine, we are going to follow that. Cleansing is done already, so now time to tone up my face. This is Gulnair Rosette clarifying toner 30 ml. I think it's good enough. It smells delicious. It smells beautiful, just like the fresh roses, and it opens up like this. So I'm not gonna take any cotton or anything, because that I think just takes a lot of time, and also that makes me lazy to do my skincare. So I always take my toner in my palm. It smells beautiful, trust me guys, it smells wonderful. So I'll just apply it on my face, little bit on my neck. Toner helps in toning the face, like so that no harsh lines comes on your face, and so that your skin is toned and nice and beautiful. Like there should be no wrinkles on your face, and toner helps in doing that. Toner is always a really important product, and what can be a better than rose water for toning, and this product has that rose thing, and it's a clarifying toner. So if you use it with a cotton, then your face will also get clean with it, and you have to use it in the morning and night, and after that you have to follow it with moisturizer. It has fresh rose water, witch hazel, hibiscus infused water. It is a beautiful, lovely product. I'm definitely gonna use it every day because it smells wonderful. Next thing which you have to use after serum is, you can directly use your cream, otherwise after toner you should use your serum. So I'm gonna use my serum, and here we have got one from Thalgo. So here's this Thalgo Source Marine Hydra Marine Serum, and Hydra products, the products which are infused with water, are really good for your skin. They feel wonderful on skin, like they feel amazing on your skin, and this is how it looks like. It has watery texture. These things are never heavy on your face when they're Hydra based. So you just have to apply your serum like this. Just slowly pat it really well into the skin. Now what's the difference between a cream and a serum? What cream does, cream is applied on your upper layer, and serum goes into the inner layer of your skin. So to help you get beautify from within, you need to have a really good serum in your skincare routine, and this one feels beautiful, like beautiful. It feels so good on my skin. I'm loving the feel of the products. Definitely they are very high-end, very luxurious feeling they're giving. Not at all sticky. Up till now, no stickiness at all. So really loving it. Then the next product that I have got is this cream. This is Hydra cream again from Thalgo. This is again 15 ml. 15 ml is not huge, but at the same time it's not less. It is at least gonna last you for 1 month or maybe 2 months if you use it only once in a day, and use a little bit of product and it's good to go. And obviously these Hydra products are more based on many chemicals because that's how those products work. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of cream and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. It's blending in the skin beautifully. The feel, the fragrance, that's beautiful. That's just so beautiful. I'm loving the feel and the fragrance of it. And about the Thalgo shower gel, it lathers a lot. It is beautiful, but it's really less in amount. I wish they give more amount, but it's for free and you get to try some luxury products, so no problem. But the feel and the fragrance and the lather of Thalgo body wash is really nice. Obviously I cannot give a demo of that, so I'm just telling you that. Okay, and now to finish off my skincare routine, I have this beautiful Votre under eye cream. It's a really small one. It smells delicious. It smells beautiful. I think all the products this time smells wonderful. Under eye cream, 10 grams, and just gonna take very little. It's always important to take care of your under eyes because it is the most sensitive area on your face, and you just need to take care of it so that you do not get dark circles and so that you do not get any eye bags and so that you feel stress free. Skincare routine definitely helps in making you all stress free as well. Also, I have applied a little bit on my eyelid as well. So here's my face skincare routine is all done. So now let me just introduce with you guys with the rest of products as well. So here's this deeply nourishing body cream from Thalgo. We have talked about shower gel, we have talked about the cream, we have talked about the serum. Serum and cream are wonderful. Serum is the best out of all of these products, and also this Vutre eye cream and this Garnier toner. They are amazing. Multani Mitti Fuller's Earth face pack is definitely awesome. Then we have cold cream, which is 30 ml. I do not use cold creams and stuff like that, but for the sake of this video and for the sake of my dry hands, I have to use it. And it's a body cream, so I have taken a little more than a pea size amount, and it feels more like that face cream only. It's beautiful again. The best part is that these products are really moisturizing and not at all sticky, with a very beautiful, very luxurious fragrance. Like, you need to try these products to feel what I'm feeling right now. I'm really impressed. I'm definitely impressed. This is not a sponsored video. Yes, I do get these products for free to review for you guys, but definitely I'm not gonna give a bad review just for the sake of free products. I have a lot of skincare products. I don't need any. So if I am taking these products, I'm actually loving it, and that's why I'm showing it to you guys, because they're worth it. Okay, so the hands feel beautiful now, very, very beautiful, moisturized, and no stickiness at all. So this is the best part about it. Then the last, not the last, but the second last product that I've got is this lip butter from Blissant. Blissant is a really nice brand. This is for 150. It's a hot chocolate lip butter. It's a normal lip butter, and it smells like chocolate, and I hate the smells of chocolate. So I hate the smell of chocolate, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna keep it for someone else, so I'm not going to talk about it. Then the last product that I've got, I'm really excited. I was really excited to get this one. Health with Bath and Body Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Body Wash. Removes dirt and oil deeply, and deeply washes body skin without drying. So this is for 225, and it is I guess 200 ml of product. So this is how it looks like. It is pure black when you take it out of the tube. I have already taken my shower with it, and it takes a little more amount than your usual body wash, but definitely it deep cleanses the skin beautifully. So here's that. Now at the end of this video, I'm gonna just show you all the products which you get in the Vanity Cask. Just in case you're not buying the box for 3 months, then you should know what you're gonna get in a 1 month subscription of January 2018. Activated Charcoal Body Wash. Then you're gonna get Vutre eye cream. Then you're gonna get lip butter. Then Fuller's Earth face pack. Then Garnier Rose Clarifying Toner. Loved it. Then if you subscribe for 3 months, then you're gonna get Thalgo products for free, and cream, body cream, serum, and a body wash sample. So here's that, and I'm really impressed with this skincare routine which I just did, and my skin is feeling beautiful. My skin is feeling amazing. I'm definitely gonna try this skincare more, and I'm gonna do it again and again for sure in the morning time. So obviously you can do it in the night time as well, but my night skincare is all sorted, so I don't change that. So I'm gonna do it in my morning skincare routine, and I really loved it. Thank you so much, Vanity Cask, for sending these beautiful products. I'm very much satisfied, and guys, I highly recommend the box. If you like this video, then if you like the products, then buy the box. Link is down there in the description. And if you liked my video, then like button is down there, just click that. Red subscribe button and notification bell, don't forget to click on that. Stay connected, follow me on my social media. All links I'm gonna leave down there in the description box. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, look gorgeous, live healthy. Mwah.